Trying to squeeze everything that you can into the few summer months that we have while maintaining your career or your business can be a difficult feat. But with a few tools and being aware of everything that's happening this summer, you could not only avoid burnout, but you could enjoy these last few weeks of summer in a way that you never thought you could. In today's podcast episode, I cover the top reasons most people get burnt out, as well as how you can make sure that you're maintaining a work-life balance that not only has you getting the work that you want or need to get done each week, but also being able to take advantage of everything this summer has to offer you in your personal life as well. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. If you want to prevent burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance for the rest of this summer, you need to make sure you're following these tips. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created two options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. If you've been noticing additional stress this summer and you want to make sure that you're doing everything that you can to enjoy the rest of the summer, you're in the right place today. I want to start by describing what burnout is and how you can tell if you are beginning to suffer from it. Burnout, simply put, is when your motivation starts to dwindle and you start to get exhausted both mentally and physically. Stress and burnout will typically go hand in hand, and we all know that stress is not healthy for you. A little stress may help peak your performance, but over time, continuous stress will start to have an impact on your health and the success of your career or your business. Another thing to note is that burnout doesn't normally happen overnight. This is something that tends to build up over time. It happens when you take specific actions over and over throughout the course of your career, your business, and even in your personal life. You may think that these actions are necessary to survive, but over time, you'll find yourself feeling more and more burnt out from everything that you're doing. If you find yourself with symptoms such as fatigue, anxiety, or depression, or maybe you have difficulty concentrating or remembering, you might be on the path to burnout. You may notice you lack energy, have a hard time sleeping, or even experience mood changes. If you're working long hours and feel overwhelmed, it may be time to start taking actions to ensure that both you and your career or your business are able to withstand many years of success to come. So how do you avoid these feelings of burnout? There are many ways that you can prevent burnout, and today I'm going to go over a few tips for you to get started with. Even if you don't feel like you have any symptoms of burnout, these tips would be good for you to start working on to ensure that you don't find yourself in a situation like this in the future without even noticing it coming. First, I want to make sure that you're taking plenty of time off. I feel like this is probably the easiest thing to do to ensure that you avoid burnout. And I know what you're thinking because I actually feel the exact way. When you're running your own business or you have a career that requires a lot from you, I know it's hard to step away and take time off. I know for myself that when I plan to take time off, sometimes it feels like I have more stress before I take the time off, as well as additional stress when I get back from taking the time off. But I will say any time off that you can take will be well worth it. I'm not saying that you need to take a week of vacation every month, but I do want you to take a step back from your regular work routine and take a break. This will definitely look different for everyone. For you, it may mean that you take a scheduled lunch break. It may be making sure that you end your day at a specific time each day to be able to spend more time with your friends or family. Or it may be that you take a 3-day weekend once a month. Whatever works best for you and your career or your business, make sure that you take the time off and stick with it. Don't allow your work to creep back in and spoil the times that you plan to take off. Know that this is a necessary task for you to complete to ensure that you and your business remain healthy. Next, make sure that you're managing your time in the best possible way. Every day, set your priorities and decide what needs to be done to move the needle in your business. If you have tasks that are on your list that will not have a significant impact on what you're aiming to accomplish, decide if those tasks are worthy of your time. By incorporating your goals into your priorities, you'll find that you're only working on tasks that are important and will help your business to grow and succeed in the direction of your goals. There are many people who work on simple tasks which keep them busy, but these tasks are not what will move the business forward. Don't think that by simply remaining busy, you're being successful. You need to be strategic in the tasks that you create to reach your goals. Take note of what will help you move forward in your business or your career. Work on those tasks first, and make sure that you take the time to stay organized. By being organized, you'll save time and help reduce stress as well. Next, stay healthy. I know this sounds simple, but if you're not getting enough sleep, eating healthy, drinking water, and exercising each and every day, your body will not be running at its fullest capacity. Just as you'd want to make sure that you're completing regular maintenance on your vehicle to get the maximum performance, you need to make sure that you're maintaining your health. Take the time to incorporate these 4 simple steps into your day: getting enough sleep, eating healthy, drinking water, and exercising. And you may find that you have additional energy to get those important tasks done throughout the day, and you'll feel good about them while you're working on them. Your mind and body will work at a much better capacity when you're taking care of yourself and staying healthy. Make sure that you're setting realistic expectations for yourself and your business or your career. Take a look at these last few weeks that are left of the summer. Decide what your goals and highest priorities are and schedule them into your calendar. Make sure that you have plenty of time to reach these goals. You may want to spend at least 3 more weekends at the lake, or maybe you want to take one last road trip. Either way, review what your goals and your priorities are for both your career or your business and your personal life as well. Schedule in your personal time so that you don't miss these special opportunities. And then make sure that you're able to schedule the work that you want to get done as well. By being specific about what you'll work on every day, you can take those realistic expectations and turn them into weekly realities. By following through with the plans that you set in your calendar, you'll make sure that every task, goal, and getaway is accomplished. Lastly, I want to mention how important it is to make sure that you always have someone to talk to so that you can prevent burnout. Having a mentor or someone who understands what you're going through can help you feel less alone and more supportive. They can help you through situations that you may have no idea how you're going to work through them. When I'm working with my clients one-on-one, they're able to come to me with the issues that they're facing on a weekly basis, and we find solutions together. If you're struggling with burnout and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthening and maintaining your emotional health, increasing your well-being, creating a more positive, happy, and joyful life, setting and achieving your goals, and managing your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching Program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority that you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that is weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come, and relief knowing that we're going to meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. This is a new coaching program, and I'm opening it with special pricing for a limited time. The investment is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way for you. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it will sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something in their lives that they want, and I help them get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program, and I made the final touches on the program, and it's available for you now. I know how much you wanted it. The faster you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now, or do you want to wait to enjoy it? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. ask yourself, why do you need this program in your life right now? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and goals for the future, not only in your business or career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.